Hi, my name is Ogochukwu Nancy Peter. I study German language in the Department of Foreign Languages and Literary Studies, Faculty of Arts, University of Nigeria, Block A. And I'm in final year, 400 level. And so far, the journey has been interesting and adventurous in UNN. UNN has grounded me to be someone strong and handle any kind of challenge that comes. Studying German language in a country where the language is not spoken is not an easy one, and yet I'm doing it. It's coming out well. It's a product of how UNN can train its students to be strong. And so far, I look forward to writing my project, which is of course in German language, and I look forward to it. What I want to achieve with this language, I actually want to know more about literature and then also go into translation. Translation, because lots of Igbo-based works that have been translated into German language didn't really portray the Igbo culture that were portrayed in the work. In works like Purple Hibiscus and Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. So I want to go into translation so that any work that's been translated based on Igbo culture or that has Igbo setting, the meaning and the Igbo tradition will as well be translated into German language. And then whosoever reads will have this understanding and not be limited because of the limited knowledge of those who have translated this work. Because basically they don't have the knowledge that Igbo tradition has setting. And of course, use other means available and that will be made available to me to acquire wealth and assist others, give scholarships, come back to UNN and support in projects, encourage students and do a lot of things for humanity. That's what I want to do. Yeah, thank you.